None in it?
Nah, there's a decent amount of gas in here. What's that?
What are you working on?
Both fuel pumps and a 13 Charger. I believe it's 13.
Yeah.
V6. It's really not that bad. It just sucks if you have a full tank. Not full, but it's got a decent bit in here.
Pretty simple job, right?
It's
Pull the
pretty
seat
simple.
up.
It's simple as of right now. The only thing I'm worried about is fishing the hoses back through.
You could use those plastic lines that I have and tape them together and look.
Let me just... I was thought I should do that before I pull this pump out. So that I can...
Technically, you could do that too. Tie
So then they'll pull them through, so then I'll have it all the way through, and then I can just tie them off to the
do
new
the old
lines.
fish method.
All right, where
That's what I would do.
the plastic lines that go on the old gray bucket.
You can...
By those, or...
Well, I don't care what you do. You could use...
This works.
Sure. I mean, it's in a good shape too.
Yeah.
So he was concerned with fishing all the fuel lines for the fuel pumps. Well, actually, is it 2 fuel pumps? No. So one is a regulator. Yeah, so one's a regulator sending unit, fuel pressure regulator, and then one is a fuel pump assembly. So it must bypass the fuel. I really don't care to know the makeup of this mechanical shit. All I know is the warranty company only wanted us to do this fuel pump. And I said to the guy, he said, well, how'd you figure out the fuel pump was bad? Well, the customer had it towed in and it wasn't running, and I'm an idiot, and I don't know how to tell you if a fuel pump is bad. But yeah, we checked power and ground, and yeah, it's not pumping any fuel, and yeah, you need to authorize both assemblies. And he's like, oh, okay, blah, 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 blah. I said, well, you can just do one. I said, if the car comes back, you just pay us diagnostic time and labor time to do it all over again. I really don't give a shit. Your money. Warranty companies, ready? Not every shop is a crook. Not every shop. Non-lethal fireworks here. Thanks for watching.